In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any cryptocurrency from the platform Binance. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you will get a 20% discount on all trading fees. To create your account, simply click right here and enter your email address or phone number, or what you can also do is use your Google account or Apple account. Alright, so if you want to withdraw money, simply go up here to your wallet and then click on Spot. Then right here, click on Withdraw. Choose the currency that you want to withdraw. You can choose any of these cryptocurrencies that you have on your account. In this case, I'm going to use USDT. Then enter your address and select a network. Of course, you want to withdraw money to your own wallet or another exchange, and you will be presented there with a depositing address. If you click deposit on these two platforms right here on your own wallet or another exchange, you will have a deposit address right there with a corresponding network, and make sure that this network, of course, is the same right here and that you paste the deposit address right into this field right here. Then also down here, enter the amount that you want to withdraw. You will see your available balance right here. You can also just click on max right here. And then all you need to do is just click down here on withdraw, and the withdrawal is already completed. You can take up to a few minutes for the money to arrive. A little tip for you, if this is your first time doing such a transaction or you want to withdraw larger amounts, I recommend you to first send a smaller amount, for example $10, see if everything works fine, and if everything arrives and is perfectly fine, then just send the remaining amount. If you also want to know how you can withdraw fiat currencies, for example if you want to withdraw euro or US dollar back to your own bank account, make sure to check out the video description. I have a separate video on exactly that. Don't forget to pick up your 20% discount on all trading fees forever by using the link down from the video description, and if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.